Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now let's talk about PayPal right over here. I alerted this before close. Now this play does look very interesting. Now this play is around medium risk, between medium risk and one of our safer plays, because we are buying it off from a major support. Now we bought off some bad news right over here, which we had. Now we were actually going for this resistance on PayPal, and a lot of people actually got faked out, like some other analysts on Discord. They bought PayPal calls to break this downtrend right over here, but we got the news and it just completely dumped right over here at the support. So we did buy off this very nice support right over here. And then what I'm also what I'm looking at is obviously the weekly time frame, because again, this is a major support. You guys can see those wicks, but we are getting very tight on PayPal. Now I grabbed November 12th expiration at the money calls right over here. And again, what we're looking at over here is a major demand zone for PayPal. So this is our demand zone where people are buying it. So where people want to buy it, it is undersold right over here. So as you guys can see right over here, it is oversold right over here. And what we have over here is kind of this downtrend breakout. It kind of looks like a symmetrical triangle, but it's not. It is right over here, as you can see right over here. But we bought in right over here, and our price target is going to be right over here for this breakout to the upside. Now we do have some time on it, and we want to play this earnings run up. Now the reason why it is kind of like why it is a little bit risky is because of the news we got. So we did actually get some news on PayPal, and they're actually buying they're in talk to acquire Pinterest. So it kind of sold off, because again, it's kind of taking away the capital that PayPal might have, and it might bring in some uncertainty for PayPal, stuff like that. But chart does look nice, but I still want to keep a very nice stop loss right over here. Now we're just looking at this channel right over here. Okay, we're looking at these wicks right over here, and overall this looks very nice. A very nice buy zone right over here, and then our price target right over here. But if we do close below this support right over here, I'll be looking to cut it. So stop loss right over here will be below this right over here. Now I'm also watching the weekly, especially if we close below the weekly, just like Disney. Okay, for Disney, I'm looking to bounce off of it from the weekly time frame. If we close below on the weekly, I'll be looking to close out of it. And kind of like same with PayPal right over here, where we just need to close above the support, and we need to hold this support level. Now we can actually trade sideways right over here, but as long as if we got time, this looks very nice. A very nice play. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this was also a very expensive play, around $1,000 per contract. So again, the risk to reward is not worth it. The most I would put in is 10% of my account, so which is around 1,000. So gotta understand. And another thing is, we're sending out a lot of videos, and the market is giving us a lot of these opportunities, and just don't over leverage or anything else. So overall, very simple video, medium risk play on PayPal. And we also have Bitcoin running up and all those cryptos, so PayPal will be following that. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video. If you guys did enjoy the content, make sure to like and let me know in the comments if you guys are on this play, or if you guys do have any other questions. So see you guys tomorrow, and let's see what happens tomorrow on our PayPal calls. See you tomorrow.